Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss one of the most fundamental concepts in statistics, types of data. Have you ever wondered why sometimes we use the mean, sometimes the median, and sometimes percentages in research? Why do we not use the same measure for every situation? The answer lies in the type of data. Today, we will explore the various types of data in a clear and simple manner. So, understanding data types is essential for accurate research and for informed decision-making across all disciplines. Now, before we classify data into different types, we must first understand a very basic concept. That is, the concept of a variable. Because data types are actually based on something called variables. So, let us first define what a variable is. A variable is a characteristic that can assume different values in different individuals or observations. In simple words, it is something that can change from person to person. For example, name, age, gender, religion, nationality, hair color, pet type, blood group, favorite sport, favorite subject. All these can vary between individuals and therefore they are called variables. Now, let us see what we mean by data. Data are simply the values that a variable takes. In other words, when a variable gets a specific value, that value is called data. For example, if the variable is name, it can take the value Tom. Similarly, if the variable is age, the value may be 10 years. If the variable is gender, the value may be male. If the variable is height, the value may be 130 centimeters. If the variable is favorite sport, the value may be cricket. If the variable is favorite subject, the value may be maths. If the variable is hair color, the value may be brown. If the variable is pet type, the value may be dog. If the variable is blood group, the value may be A. So remember, variable is the characteristic. Data is the value. Data can be broadly classified into two main types, qualitative and quantitative. First, let us understand qualitative data. Qualitative data represent categories or attributes rather than numerical measurements. In simple words, they describe qualities, not quantities. Qualitative data are further classified into two types, nominal and ordinal. We will now understand each of these in detail. Now, let us understand nominal data. Nominal data consist of categories with no natural order. This means the categories cannot be ranked or arranged in any meaningful sequence. They are simply names or labels. Let us see some examples. Gender, male, female, there is no ranking here. One is not greater or smaller than the other. Department, human resources, finance, marketing. Again, these are just categories. There is no natural order. Blood group, A, B, AB, O. These are also just labels. So remember, if the data represent categories without any natural order, we call it nominal data. We have seen that nominal data consist of categories with no natural order. Now, when a nominal variable has only two categories, it is called a dichotomous or binary variable. In simple terms, a dichotomous variable is a special type of nominal variable with exactly two mutually exclusive categories. That means an observation can belong to only one category at a time. Let us see some examples. Disease status, yes or no employment status, employed or unemployed, attendance status, present or absent. In all these cases, there are only two possible categories. So remember, if a nominal variable has exactly two categories, it is called a dichotomous binary variable. Now let us move to the second type of qualitative data, ordinal data. Ordinal data consist of categories with a meaningful order. This means the categories can be arranged in a logical sequence. However, the exact difference between the categories is not numerically measurable. Let us see some examples. Cancer stages, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Here, there is a clear progression from early stage to advanced stage. Pain severity, mild, moderate, severe. Again, there is a definite order from less pain to more pain. Performance rating, poor, average, good. These categories can also be ranked from lower performance to higher performance. So remember, if the categories have a meaningful order, we call it ordinal data. I hope this video helped you understand nominal and ordinal data clearly. In the next video, we will continue this topic and discuss quantitative data. If you found this lecture helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Stat Corner, and share it with your friends. You can also post your doubts or comments below. Thank you for watching this video.